The 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid CKD is finally here, and it's creating a buzz in the SUV market with its blend of efficiency, performance, and style. Welcome to another detailed review from Mr. Cars PK, where we dive deep into the features of this impressive new arrival. The Sorento Hybrid CKD, now locally assembled, offers a unique combination of premium feel and eco-friendly performance that is attracting SUV lovers across the country. The sleek design of the 2025 model carries the bold Kia signature tiger nose grille, sharp LED headlamps, and a muscular body that gives it a strong road presence. The aerodynamic bodylines and refined detailing enhance its look, while also improving fuel efficiency. The locally assembled CKD model maintains the international standards Kia is known for, with attention to build quality and interior refinement. Under the hood, the 2025 Sorento Hybrid CKD is powered by a 1.6-liter turbocharged gasoline engine paired with an electric motor, together producing an impressive 227 horsepower. This hybrid setup ensures better fuel economy, reduced emissions, and smooth acceleration. The 6-speed automatic transmission complements the hybrid system perfectly, offering a seamless drive whether in city traffic or on the highway. The hybrid technology makes the Sorento CKD a solid choice for those looking to save on fuel costs without compromising on power or performance. The drive is quiet, smooth, and refined, and the transition between electric and petrol modes is almost unnoticeable. The interior of the 2025 Sorento Hybrid CKD is a blend of luxury and practicality. As you step inside, you are greeted by premium quality materials, soft touch surfaces, and a spacious cabin designed for families and long-distance comfort. The SUV comfortably seats 7 passengers, with a flexible seating arrangement and ample legroom in all 3 rows. The modern infotainment system includes a large touchscreen display with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, Bluetooth connectivity, multiple USB ports, and a premium sound system. The digital instrument cluster, climate control system, and wireless charging pad further enhance the cabin experience. Safety is another area where the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid CKD shines. Equipped with advanced driver assistance features like blind spot detection, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control, and multiple airbags, Kia has ensured maximum safety for passengers. The rigid body structure and high-quality assembly of the CKD version add to the confidence of buyers looking for a reliable and durable SUV. The pricing of the Sorento Hybrid CKD makes it an attractive option in its category. With local assembly reducing the overall cost compared to imported units, this SUV provides great value for money. It is expected to compete directly with other hybrid SUVs in the market while offering superior features and after-sales support through Kia's growing dealership network. For buyers in Pakistan who are looking for a high-tech, fuel-efficient, spacious, and stylish SUV, the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid CKD is a strong contender. This is Mr. Cars PK bringing you the latest on the 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid CKD. Stay tuned for more updates, test drives, and reviews of the hottest cars in the market. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more automotive content.